Hey there, and welcome to the Responsive Design course. We're going to talk about working with mobile design, mobile creation, and creating, well, a responsive site. That's the idea of this course. You can see the site that we're going to create. And I'm just going to let you know right now, I'm not a designer, okay? I work with designers. But it's going to have a lot of the generic things we need, and this is kind of a souped up or prettier version of what we're going to create, believe it or not. We're going to get to the core of things. We're going to figure out how we can take content like images, navigation, make it really simple, make it so that it's all fluid. We're going to talk about fluid grids. We're going to talk about working with imagery. We're going to talk about doing things like making responsive video. And in this case, I only have one type of responsive video, but we're going to do two. We're actually going to add our own video, and then we're going to add a YouTube video as well. We're going to talk about fonts and just about everything you could think of. And in the final version of the site that we're going to create, I might as well show you. It's not extremely pretty, and I apologize for that. This is sort of what it's going to look like. You're going to see that we're going to add a slideshow, which is a little different. We're going to add a responsive slideshow. I didn't change the images. And like I said, we're going to add a responsive YouTube video, which is really easy to do using a little bit of script. So we'll throw that in there. The idea behind this course is not to make you reinvent the wheel on everything. Yes, we're going to learn how responsive design works, what it is, the different tools we can use, etc. But we are going to go into Dreamweaver or some tool, and I'm hoping you have something like that. And we're going to be working a bit in code, okay? But we're not going to be sitting there and, just creating everything ourselves because there's so many people that have done this already. When we get to a point where we do something like, let's say we want to add the slideshow. All we're going to do is we're going to go to a slideshow site, copy paste a bunch of stuff, and we've got ourselves an awesome slideshow. For the video, same thing. We're not going to create all this stuff. Well, at least not all the code behind the scenes, okay? So I'm just trying to tell you that I'm not going to beat you about the head and neck with code. We are going to use it. We are going to code it. We are going to type it in, but we're going to reuse content that's out there. So strap in. The first week is all about learning about responsive design, the concepts, the tools, the things that we can use. So you're going to be doing a little bit more cerebral work in week one. The second week is when we jump in and we start actually going in and creating our own responsive site. So sit back, week one, kind of soak it all in, go out for the assignment and, find out different sites you like, some that work, some that don't, etc. And then you jump into week two and start creating. So welcome to the course.